Sending money from Canada to the Philippines can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin, you will need to choose a money transfer service that suits your needs. There are several options available, including banks, online money transfer services, and remittance centers. First, research and compare the fees and exchange rates of different services to find the best option for you. Some popular services include Western Union, MoneyGram, and online platforms like PayPal and Zoom. Once you have chosen a service, you will need to create an account or log in to your existing one. You will be required to provide some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and bank account details. Next, you will need to enter the recipient's information, including their name, address, and bank account details if you are sending money directly to their bank account. If you are sending cash for pickup, you will need to provide the recipient's name and the location where they will pick up the money. After entering the recipient's information, you will need to specify the amount you want to send and choose your payment method. You can usually pay by bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. Be aware that different payment methods may have different fees and processing times. Once you have completed the transaction, you will receive a confirmation and a reference number. You can use this reference number to track the status of your transfer and inform the recipient of the pickup details. It is essential to ensure that you are using a reputable and secure service to avoid any potential risks or scams. Look for services that are licensed and regulated by the relevant authorities, such as the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas in the Philippines and the Financial Consumer Agency of Canada. Additionally, be aware of any transfer limits and restrictions that may apply. Some services may have daily or monthly limits, and some countries may have restrictions on the amount of money that can be sent or received. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can send money from Canada to the Philippines safely and efficiently. Remember to always research and compare services. Use secure and reputable platforms, and follow the transaction instructions carefully to ensure a smooth and successful transfer.